being here and watching. Today we're going to unbox and try on my Ipsy Plus for June. At the end of this video, we will do a quick review of May's products. Before we begin, I just want to say hi. Welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I do subscription box unboxings every single day here on our channel. So if you're into beauty boxes, subscription boxes, beauty, skincare, all of that, I would absolutely love it if you subscribed and joined us. That would mean so much to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers and we currently have a giveaway going on. It's actually a self-care giveaway. So if you guys have not yet entered, please do so. It's a big thank you to you guys. I will link that in a thumbnail at the end of this video. I will also link down below in the description box Ipsy if you are interested in subscribing. So the Ipsy we're opening today, like I said, is the Ipsy Plus, and this one costs $25 and you get 5 full-size products every month. So this is the box it comes in. When you open it up, there's some packing and then everything inside. And once again, there is no information on the products inside the little handout. It seems like we only get information on like the regular glam bag. But the theme for June is Make Waves, and it says, summer is more than a season, it's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner, swipe the bright gloss, and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. And then it says to get the one-on-one your products, head to Ipsy.com. So what I'll do is I'll add the pricing of all the items and the total value of this box when I'm editing. On the inside of this it says, here comes the sun, 5 tips to maximize your SPF. So I think that's good information to include. I think it's really important to wear SPF every single day, even if you're not outside. So every month we get a bag, and for June this is our bag, and there's just a bunch of lovely ladies on there soaking up the sun on their towels. So not my favorite. Can you see there's like kind of all like broken up here? But honestly, I don't use a lot of these bags. I do use like a few of them. Like I think I have the April ones right now in my purse. Like I separate like my makeup and like other things in my larger handbags. They're easy to find. But yeah, I need to find more ways to use these. But anyways, it says Ipsy on the inside. It's yellow. It's pretty small. It's like the same size as the regular glam bags, and you would think it'd be a little bit bigger. Like the Ipsy would be like this size, the Ipsy Plus would be a little bit bigger, and then the Ipsy Ultimate usually is a larger bag. But how about we get started? Since I mentioned SPF, how about we start with the SPF product? So every month you get to customize one item in all of your Ipsys, and this month I chose SPF, and this is by Tula Skincare. It's their Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum SPF 30, UVA and UVB protection. So I do have this on today and I tried it on camera. So this is made with chemical sunscreens. So on the back it says your daily SPF 30 plus protection against pollution and blue light. Gel goes on clear, even skin tone and gives you a gorgeous glow. And that is true. This gives 0 white cast and it definitely gives you a glow. So you'll see me putting it on, you'll see the glow I have after doing so. And I did put on some foundation over it today and it looks fine. The foundation I have on is by Yensa. I finally received the full size of this. It's their BC foundation in Fair Light. And I did think this worked well on top. I am looking a little glowy, but both the sunscreen and the foundation do give a little bit of a glow, but I really like that look. So I don't know if I would wear this sunscreen alone just because I was so glowy. I didn't give it long enough of a chance to see like if that glow goes away or not. So like I said earlier, I always do recaps at the end of my videos, so next month I will keep you updated on how this works. I wear SPF every single day, so I will definitely get some use out of this. How about we talk about the 2 items I did not try today because they're skincare. One is an eye cream, and I swear I've received like, was it like 2 eye creams last month? I think I received like 3 eye creams total the past 2 months from Ipsy, and I only have 2 eyes. I'm not going to use these eye creams that quick, and this one is huge. This is the size of like a serum or a foundation. Hopefully I'll eventually get to it, but I have like 3 open eye creams right now, so I didn't use it in today's video. This is by Nacific, and it's their Fresh Herb Origin Cream with Calendula. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Ooh, I like this. On the back it says it's made with niacinamide and adenosine. I love niacinamide. I don't think I've ever used an eye product that contained it. But it says, with niacinamide and adenosine, this lightweight, fast-absorbing eye cream helps to achieve a smooth and youthful eye area by preventing dark circles, fine lines, and wrinkles. And you can use this both day and night. And yeah, with eye cream, you really don't need too much product, so I feel like this will last a really long time. I can't get it out right now, but yeah, it is very large. And then the other skincare item we received is by Bliss, and this is their Oh My Gommage Gentle Polishing Cleanser, and it's like a stick cleanser. And on the back it says, this milky cleansing stick resurfaces and refines as soft plant-based fibers capture and roll away dead cells for a healthy glow and an ultra smooth complexion. So for directions it says gently massage over dry or damp skin. So this is interesting. I am currently testing out several cleansers. I have two that I received. Well, right now I'm doing a complete Korean skincare routine. I received like a full set of products, like a full regimen in the Skin Star box. It's all Korean skincare, like I said. If you guys missed that video and you're curious what I'm trying and about to review in a couple weeks, I will link that video down below. So yeah, I'm not going to open this right now. I think this is actually probably a great thing to bring if you travel because it's not liquid. You don't have to worry about like breaking in your bag and stuff like that. But I don't know if I've ever really used a stick cleanser. Oh no, I lied. In the past Try Beauty box, I believe I received one, and I did like that actually, but it's been a while. It had like little pieces of like beet or something in it that like exfoliated. I don't know, similar to this, point is. So yeah, I will eventually get to this, but I may save it for travel because it's tiny and won't leak. So the next two items are makeup items, and I did try them today. The first is an eyeshadow. It's by Ciate London. It's their Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow, and I received it in the shade Entwine. So I don't know. I'm not in a negative mood or anything, but I feel like I have like a negative vibe going on with this box. I feel like it's kind of lame to get like a single shadow as like a full-size item. Like in a box you're supposed to get all full-size items. But I do like this. I had it on my eyes today. You'll see me applying it. On the back of the packaging it says apply using fingertips for best results. Use over eyeshadow or alone over the lid. Layer for intense metallic glitter payoff. So I just used my bronzer I was applying today already on my crease in my eye, and then I used this. So it was a very simple, easy eye look, and I do like how it turned out. I have a very natural look going on today, but I really like this. So the bronzer I have on, if you're curious, is by Wander Beauty. It's their Trip to Costa Ray bronzer. I believe I received this in like the regular Ipsy Glam bag a few bags ago. So yeah, that's what's in the crease of my eye, and then I put this on, and it does work really well. Just a few swipes on your eye with your finger. It builds up well. I got no fallout, and I really like how it looks. So I definitely will get use out of this. It's like a champagne-y shade, so I feel like this would be a great like accompaniment to other palettes, maybe like an all matte palette or something. I feel like you could work this into a lot of looks. So it's not the most exciting item whatsoever, but I do like it. And then the last item we received is by Lady Gaga's brand, House Laboratories, and this is one of her lip glosses. I received it in the shade Corset. And of course I have it on now, and it's not sticky or anything like that. I don't love like the wand, or I mean the doe foot on here. It's kind of curved. It was easy to apply the gloss on my lower lip, but a little bit harder on the top. But I mean, it's not that big of a deal. And when I take the lip gloss like out of the tube, some kind of like splashes out, so it's a little bit messy, which made me nervous. But when I applied it to my lips, it was totally fine. I love like just wearing a little bit of lip liner and lip gloss, or sometimes just lip gloss alone. So I think it's great to get some gloss, and it's cool to try this brand. The brand like didn't get a lot of good hype when it first came out, so I have a feeling we might see more House Laboratories in subscription boxes. I don't know. If you guys tried anything else by House Laboratories, I would love to hear your thoughts. But yeah, that is everything for the June box. Honestly, I think it's pretty boring. Like, I'm not like unhappy. Like, I got things I will use. I will use at least 3 of the items. Like, I love getting sunscreen, but like, it's not the most exciting thing. And gloss and like a single shadow, I don't know. So spoiler if you're gonna stick around for my review of last month. I thought last month was a great month. So this is like, you know, this really pales in comparison. But yeah, it's not the worst but it is pretty boring. I would love to know your thoughts down below. And by the way, I really hope they stop sending me eye creams every month, because like seriously, like that sounds like a good one, but I'll probably have to like give it away or something, or I don't know when I'll get to it. But yeah, so not that exciting. So please let me know your thoughts down below, and let me know also, are we bag twins or box twins, I should say. If not, I would love to hear what you received in your Ipsy. But now let's move on to the review of May's box. So all of my reviews for these products are like the same as my first impressions. Nothing's changed. I really enjoyed last month and I really liked the product. So the first thing I opened last month, I actually have it in my bathroom right now, but since I haven't done my empties video in like a million months, I have an empty right here, and this is by Sunday Riley, and this is the Good Genes All-in-One Lactic Acid Treatment. And if you guys have been around, you know I love this. I love Sunday Riley products. My skin just really agrees with them. I was using this for a few days when I first got it, but then, like I mentioned earlier, I received a whole Korean skincare regimen that I am currently testing out, and I'm going to be doing so for about a month. So I'm not using it right now, but since I've used it in the past, clearly I've finished like over one of these, probably two now at this point. I do really like this. It's a gentle exfoliator. I feel like lactic acid is a great first AHA if you're getting into that, and it makes my skin just look really bright and glowy. I would pair this with the Sunday Riley Luna oil and then some moisturizer, and I would always wake up with like beautiful skin. I love this stuff. So happy to get it. It's expensive. I don't want to spend $85 on something out of pocket, so getting it in a subscription box was amazing. I actually picked this as my item for last month. Next, I received a set of 3 brushes from Tarte, or not Tarte's sister brand, or whatever you would call it, like one of their brands called Sugar Rush. And these are so cute. They're shaped like pencils, and look how dirty they are. I love these brushes. I use them all the time. They need to be cleaned ASAP. So we have like a blender or like a crease brush, and then we have a shader brush and a pencil brush, and I pretty much use these like for every look I've done recently. I only didn't use it today because I used my finger to apply that shadow, but yeah, I love these. I think just looking at them you can tell. Oh, I forgot to grab the next item. The next item I really love too. It's a palette by Colored Rain. I love this palette. This was actually an exclusive with Ipsy. It's the Vineyard Soiree, is that what it's called, palette, and I love this. I really want to try more by Colored Rain. If you don't know, Colored Rain is a Black-owned brand, and I know with the whole movement going on, one great way to support the cause is to support Black-owned businesses. Give your dollar to them if you have it. I know it's tough times for everyone. There's a bunch of other ways you can help out. If you guys didn't see my community post, I put a lot of resources there. So if you just go to my YouTube page and go select community, you'll see it right there. It's the last post. So yeah, there's resources there. But yeah, I loved this formula so much. I wore it a bunch the past month. I tried it on in last month's video, so if you guys missed that, I'll link that video down below too if you want to see it in action. But this is so great. So I am thinking once I have some spare money, like right now money's kind of tight, that's why I mentioned there's other ways to support the cause, but once I have some extra money, I am totally going to buy a Colored Rain palette. I've heard people rave about them for a while, but now I've tried it myself and I can't wait to try more. So yeah, this was super exciting and amazing to get. Love the color story. Did I even show it to you guys up close? Here it is. It seriously performs so well. I cannot wait to try more by them. And then the last item, the 5th item, is the only one I still have not tried. It's a mascara. It is by Beauty for Real, and it was like that mascara that has a really small wand. I actually just finished my beloved Thrive mascara yesterday, so I'll probably open it soon after I finish my other mascaras right now. I'm working on like the Wander Beauty Mile High Club mascara. But yeah, so I'll probably open it soon, but yeah, I can't touch on that yet. I'm trying not to open too many mascaras at a time. And you guys, I'm so sad. I want to use up the mascaras I have, but the Thrive Cosmetics mascara is like all I've worn for months and I'm addicted to it, but I'll get it one day. Like maybe next time I like make an Ulta order, which I don't even remember last time I did. But yeah, that's on my shopping list. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy my other mascaras. So I'll have to let you guys know how that is in the future. But 4 out of the 5 items I've used quite a bit and I love very much. So last month was like one of the best Ipsy Pluses that I can remember, like in a while. So yeah, this month definitely was not nearly as exciting. But I don't know, maybe these products will grow on me. Like, I think I'll definitely get some use out of the eyeshadow and the lip gloss. I'll definitely use the SPF. I don't know about the other two, but yeah, just kind of boring overall. But again, I would love to know your thoughts. But thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you're all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.